We're seeing a lot of volatility out there. This chart shows you that the stock reactions to earnings vol is higher than it's ever been, and it's not even close. So what this chart shows you as the percent of tickers that moved more than 10% on earnings releases. And it's at about 40% of the companies that are putting out numbers are moving more than 10%. That's a crazy number. Like, Jeremy talks about this, and I think he's right. Like, some of these companies, if you were to have actually shown us the press release before they went out, we couldn't have predicted what the stock reaction would be. A company can just temper their guide in the upcoming quarter by like $2 million like Real did, and the stock will lose a fifth of its value. And that's what happened. I would be buying Real here. Someone ask about that, please. Because it's a name that I like a lot. The stock's $250. I think it's going at $10. Quad 4 does not like it, but if you could hang in there for a year, I think this stock's a slam dunk. But we're seeing very punitive moves with a lot of these retailers. The 40% of the names which are moving 10% or less, more often than not, are on the downside. And as you can see, the other earnings volatility metrics, you know, the percent of tickers moving less than 2% is at all-time lows. The 15% moves are at all-time highs, or at least all-time since the GFC, and we're approaching GFC levels. So these companies really can't forecast their earnings for anything. I think that companies guiding is so overrated. I don't think companies should guide. That's just my own view. I don't think they know, at least in the world of retail, what their numbers are going to be like 3 weeks down the road, never mind 13 weeks down the road. They simply don't know where the consumer is going. Even the best of the best don't even know.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.